Hello. For the final morning of meteorological autumn, we've seen something we've not seen a lot of this autumn, which is some dense fog patches. The fog is lifting, and by the early afternoon, most places will see that lift into low cloud, but some fog patches will linger, and there'll be extensive low cloud with some poor visibility in places during the afternoon, especially across central parts of England into southern Scotland. Meanwhile, some brightness is forming, northern England, northeast England, Scotland, as well as West Wales and the south of England, where we see some sunshine coming through, 11 or 12 Celsius, where we see the fog and low cloud persisting mid-single figures, perhaps even lower in some spots. But it is milder actually for Western Scotland and Northern Ireland. Here we've got an increased breeze and we've got light rain arriving during the afternoon. It's on and off, but eventually ending up quite damp across Western Scotland and Northern Ireland. That rain then edging into central and southern Scotland, as well as eventually northwest England after midnight. As that cloud and rain arrives, well, it's going to keep temperatures from falling far across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some places will see temperatures at 9 or 10 Celsius as we start the day on Thursday. But across much of England and Wales, away from the far northwest, it's a colder night with some clear spells and a frost, -2 to -4 Celsius in sheltered spots, but otherwise some dense fog patches by dawn and some poor visibility on the roads to watch out for. So on and off fog for much of England and Wales, particularly central and southern parts, and some bright spells, but a chilly start nevertheless. For Scotland, the far north of England, as well as Northern Ireland, cloud and rain moving through, the rain tending to peter out and become confined to the far north as well as the east. And by the end of the afternoon, it's mostly clearing away. But it's a milder day for Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, 11 or 12 Celsius with a southerly breeze, and brighter skies on the way for Northern Ireland. Brightening up as well across the southern half of the UK in many spots, but some fog patches will persist through the afternoon. And where that happens, 2 to 5 Celsius. Where we see the sunshine coming through, 11 Celsius in the far southwest, high single figures elsewhere. Now, this rain is moving away and then it's drying up across most of the UK as we end Thursday. This next area of rain will largely stay away because what we're seeing later Thursday, although there'll still be some fog re-emerging across central and southern parts of the country, what we're seeing on Thursday and Friday is this developing easterly. Now that's coming in around the edge of this high pressure, which is really dominating things now across northern Europe. And as that developing easterly wind arrives during Friday and the weekend, it will limit overnight fog. So visibilities during the mornings will be improved. There'll still be a lot of cloud around, and there'll be some showers coming in on that easterly. But at this stage, during the weekend, it's not cold enough for snow at lower levels. The snow will be confined to the hills and mountains of Wales, Northern England and Scotland. Into next week, that could change, and I'll have more on that in the Met Office 10-day trend, which you'll be able to find on the YouTube channel later on Wednesday.